PayPal now offers two main ways to send Bitcoin. You can send Bitcoin internally to other PayPal users or externally to cryptocurrency wallets outside the PayPal ecosystem. Before you can send Bitcoin, you need to complete account verification and set up a funding source. PayPal requires identity verification for all cryptocurrency transactions. Once verified, sending Bitcoin is straightforward. Navigate to the crypto section in your PayPal app, select Bitcoin, and choose the send option. The mobile interface makes it easy to send Bitcoin. You can search for contacts, enter wallet addresses, and review all transaction details before confirming. For external transfers, you'll need the recipient's wallet address. PayPal supports QR codes for easy address entry and always displays transaction details, including estimated delivery time before you confirm. PayPal displays all fees and network charges before you confirm any Bitcoin transaction. This transparency helps you understand the total cost before proceeding with your transfer. PayPal charges several types of fees for Bitcoin transactions. Understanding these costs is essential for making informed decisions about your crypto transfers. Network fees are additional costs that vary based on Bitcoin network congestion. These typically range from $1 to $15 per transaction and are displayed before you confirm your transfer. PayPal sets different transaction limits based on your account verification status. These limits help protect users while enabling substantial crypto transactions for verified accounts. PayPal implements multiple layers of security to protect your Bitcoin transactions. These include two-factor authentication, biometric verification, and advanced fraud detection systems. Biometric authentication includes multiple options such as fingerprint scanning, facial recognition, and voice verification. These methods provide an additional security layer beyond traditional passwords. Following security best practices is crucial for safe Bitcoin transfers. Always verify recipient addresses carefully, as Bitcoin transactions cannot be reversed once confirmed. Remember that Bitcoin transactions are irreversible. Taking a few extra moments to verify details can save you from costly mistakes. PayPal's security features work best when combined with careful user practices.